Ammonia production. Recommendations for best practices and standards for the design, operation and maintenance of new and existing plants. Methods for storing liquid ammonia, as well as emergency planning and response. The Fertilizer Academy offers a training course, Fundamentals and Best Practices for Ammonia Plants Operation and Maintenance. The course program includes 14 lessons. Some course topics. Let's consider the physical properties of ammonia. What is the risk of ammonia gas fire and explosion in the open air? What if you mix ammonia with other substances? Let's consider the effect of ammonia on the human body. Actions of personnel in case of ammonia leaks. Catalysts are expensive. Are they worth using? Factors that affect the activity of catalysts. Breakage of catalyst particles can result from incorrect charging. Catalysts are generally supplied in mild steel drums. Catalyst poisons, poisoning and recovery. Operational problems in the carbon dioxide removal system. Problems with the CO2 removal system and their elimination. Pressure relief devices. Firefighting and detection systems. Let's consider design and operational considerations for equipment maintenance at the main stages of ammonia production. Primary reformer. Secondary reformer. The compressors. Let's get acquainted with the practices of storing ammonia. Let's discuss the safety system for storing ammonia. Cooling water, an important factor in the production and storage of ammonia. Cooling water treatment programs can help avoid many problems with heat exchange equipment. What will help manage such complex processes? Design of process pipelines and heating systems. The following guidelines should be applied in the case of new equipment or plant installation. Maintenance activities and carrying out hot works. We look forward to seeing you at training sessions from Fertilizer Academy.